sip and serve with Russell's. To make our cream tomato cup, you'll need mashed boiled egg yolks, mayonnaise, sour cream, chopped green bell peppers, chopped tomatoes, 1 whole tomato for the cup, finely chopped red onion, chopped green chilies. Start by taking a plate or bowl that looks like a cup, then add the mashed egg yolks followed by the mayonnaise and sour cream to create a rich, creamy base. Next, add the chopped green bell peppers and chopped tomatoes, followed by the red onion and green chilies. Using a fork, gently mix everything together for a few seconds. Until the mixture becomes smooth, colourful and evenly combined, then keep it aside. Now take the whole tomato and cut it into 2 unequal halves, keeping one half slightly larger to use as the cup. Carefully use a small knife to scoop out the flesh inside the larger half, leaving the outer layer intact. Take the smaller half, slice off a thin piece from the bottom to create a flat base. And place the hollow tomato on top to form a cup shape. Slowly fill the tomato cup with the creamy mixture, little by little, keeping it neat and finally decorate using cucumber slices, tomato pieces, chilies, or anything you like to make it look appealing before serving fresh and enjoying. And just like that, your cream tomato cup is ready to serve.